Discovering the beauty of precious gemstones. Precious gemstones have fascinated humans for centuries with their dazzling colors, rarity, and symbolic meanings. From sparkling diamonds to deep blue sapphires and vibrant emeralds, each gemstone tells a story of nature's artistry and geological wonder. In this lesson, we'll explore how these gems are formed, their unique characteristics, and why they continue to hold such timeless beauty and value. The world of gemstones is a vast and fascinating globe showing Europe and Africa. Gemstone. Let's organize this clearly. Gemstone. Main categories of gemstones. Gemstones are generally divided into two broad groups. 1. Precious gemstones, traditionally considered the most valuable and rare due to their beauty, hardness, and brilliance. The big four precious gemstones: gemstone color, S, mineral type. Notable sources: diamond, colorless, yellow, blue, Russia, Canada, ruby, red, from chromium, corundum, Myanmar, Thailand, Sri Lanka, Mozambique. Sapphire, blue, also yellow, pink, green, corundum, Sri Lanka, Kashmir, Madagascar. Emerald, green, from chromium or vanadium. Beryl, Colombia, Zambia, Brazil.